Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. You are watching Civil Engineering Survey channel. Today, AutoCAD tutorial is about how to get name of AutoCAD commands in English, German, Czech, French, Spanish, and you can easily translate your command in that languages. Before watching this tutorial, subscribe, like, and share. Let's start. First, load Lisp script a P enter by space button in keyboard. Select Lisp. Click on Load and make sure your Lisp successfully loaded. Now type a command get name enter by space. Before type command, first underscore, then type command here, I type underscore circle command. Now look and displaying AutoCAD circle command name in English, German, Czech, French, and Spanish. Let's try another command and command of rectangle. Watch it, the Lisp script working. Thanks for watching.